Okay, so today we're going to learn the difference between depuis, pendant, et il y a. And these words roughly translate to how long ago, how long, since when. So they are words that we use to express duration in French, and they are used a little bit different from English. So let's see the differences. So for depuis, it is used in the present tense. You would use depuis only in the present tense to express the duration of something or to ask the duration of something. For example, depuis quand est-ce que tu parles français? Since when have you been speaking French? So notice right here how our verb is in the present tense. This is not passé composé. I'm just asking how long have you been speaking French. And notice also that I have quand. So when someone asks you depuis quand, you would ask, you would answer back by stating a date, right? Just like in English. Since when have you been speaking French? Well, I've been speaking French since 1990, or I've been speaking French since my travel to Africa. So they're not asking when you're asked quand, you're not asking an amount of time necessarily, but more since when, more that beginning time when that's starting occurring. So let's look at these examples. Je parle français depuis 1990. Right? So since 1990. Je parle français depuis mon voyage en Afrique. So even if a set of events or an event, that's when you began doing something, you could definitely answer depuis quand with either a date or an event. Now this changes when someone asks depuis combien de temps, because depuis combien de temps is asking literally how much time. So in that case, you have to give your answer in, you could do minutes or hours or weeks or years, because it's asking for an actual time, not when the event began. So let's look at the difference. Depuis combien de temps est-ce que tu parles français? So I'm still using the present tense, but for my answer, I would say je parle français depuis 10 ans. So I'm giving here an amount of time, not when it began. So that's basically the most important things that you need to remember about depuis. Depuis is always used in the present tense. Now, we have this other word, pendant. And pendant can take either passé composé. And the most important thing to remember for il y a is the position of it. Because unlike ago in English, it would come before the amount of time. So let's compare English and French real quick. So in English, I would say I went to France 1 week ago. In French, I would literally say I went to France ago 1 week. So you would have to say je suis allé en France il y a une semaine. So that il y a, when it takes the ago meaning, has to come before your date. So that's it for depuis, pendant, and il y a. And if you have any questions, don't forget you can ask them in class. Merci à tous.